Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and I want to show you how to take long screenshots on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application or setting or something like that would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after that we press this first button. We must push it, and when we push it we adding more information and creating long screenshot. When we have all we need we stop push it, and that's all. We have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.